Welcome back to Tech Talk Monday, right here with JJ, your boy. We're going to take and bring it down to you. We're going to roll that B-roll real quick, so stick around. It's going to be a hot show. I'm glad you made it back to stick around for this hot show. We're going to do at least a 15 to 20 minute show right here, just to let you know. But let's get to the tech news of today. AMD sets a launch for the date of the Radeon 7000 series gaming GPUs powered by RDNA 3. The date is set for November the 3rd. It's going to be a hot show, so don't miss it. They're going to be bringing it out to you. So I'm going to be tuned in myself. AMD is officially planning to launch its next generation graphics card based on RDNA 3 architecture during an event on November the 3rd. So Scott Henkelman, Senior Vice President and General Manager of AMD's Radeon Division, confirmed the imminent launch in a Twitter post with save a date image attached. So join us on November the 3rd as we launch, and this is what they're quoting: as we launch RDNA 3 to the world. More details coming soon, Heckelman wrote, with a couple of related hashtags and added for good measure. I'm going to make sure I stay tuned into that too. I'm probably going to be doing a follow-up with that too, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that video, and it will be coming in November on that one. Heckelman didn't share any other juicy nuggets, so we'll have to wait and see actually what materializes. However, the timing of his post is interesting and no doubt strategic. Yeah. So it comes just hours before Nvidia is scheduled to deliver a GTC 2022 keynote, in which the company's CEO Jensen Huang is expected to unveil his firm's next generation GeForce RTX 40 series, which he already did. The timing also indicated that AMD feels confident that it will be competitive force in the next round, perhaps even taking the performance crown. You never know. AMD's got something up their sleeves. You know, it's always been they've always had a good GPU and CPU, just let you know. So, with that note, the way it looks like is you're going to have to wait until November the 3rd to get more info on that, because they haven't really expressed themselves enough. But it's RDNA 3 is delivering a 50% more per watt uplift over RDNA 2. So if you have a GPU with RDNA 2, they got RDNA 3, and we'll see when that comes out what that's going to be about. Because it'd be nice to get my hands on that, and we can do some testing here for y'all so you can see it live. And yeah, if I get my hands on it, I will do a live video. Well, not a live video, a live stream. How about that? That's what they call it, a live stream. So, but you know, people are leaking the fact of what the Radeon RX 7000 series does. Okay, they're saying almost 4 gigahertz on a GPU. And, well, you kind of got to really think about, is that really true or is it false? We don't know yet. They don't know yet. It's still up in the air. November 3rd's getting close. We're still, quite a few, well, let's see, 21, we're about maybe 24 days away. So don't count your chickens before they hatch. I'm not even going to count my chickens. If I counted my chickens, I'd be in trouble. But anyway, they're saying the default TGP is 450 watts. And they're saying a TGP of 660 watts for added performance. Well, you better get your power supplies ripping, because you're going to need at least 1200 watts. Either you do the Nvidia or you do the AMD, you're still going to need a 1200 watt power supply. And you can quote me on that one. So furthermore, you got the ARC A770. I did a couple of reviews on it. Make sure you check those videos out, and you can get them on my profile. I mean, my profile page. The one that says JJ's PC Builds, that page. I have everything up on my page. If you subscribe, you'll get all my recent videos, by the way. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'd like to see you there. So, furthermore, what it looks like is that AMD is going to come out with the RDNA 3, and that's going to be a hot show. Now, on the other hand, you still got Intel coming out with their ARC series, this A770, which is coming out October the 12th, in 2 days. And you got the new 13th gen coming out the 20th of October, if I remember right. So you got 3 hot things coming out. You got a hot processor, and you got 2 hot graphics cards, and then you got Nvidia. They got something in store too, so they got stuff coming out as well. So this month, October and November, are going to be the hottest months, and new stuff coming out from Nvidia, AMD, and Intel. And also too, don't forget about the motherboard manufacturers. You got Asus, MSI, you got Gigabyte, you got NZXT, you got, I don't have enough fingers on my hands for how many there are going to be coming out with everything. But as they unfold and they come out, we'll do our best to let you know what we're seeing on this end about them. Just let you know, if they ever send me anything, I'll be more than happy to present it to you all and do one big video of each individual items. So that way you all can see in real time what I see. So everything that I do, you will see it in real time. I'm not holding any punches or anything else. You see everything I see. And the video, I make the video the same day. You see the video the same day. It's in real time. Just to let you know, we do that here. So, on Utmost with the tech news, there's a lot more coming out, so make sure y'all stick around and like and subscribe again. Just letting you know. It'd be much appreciated. Help me get the channel up on get it up and noticeable. When I have 1,000 subscribers and I have 4,000 hours put in, I'm putting in a lot of videos so that way you all can get a grand idea of what I'm doing. Also too, just to let you know, we are on Twitter. We are on, we're all over the place. We're on TikTok, if that helps. You can see me up on TikTok. If you need that information, just leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to send you a message to let you know where on TikTok we are and where on Twitter we are. And we will coming soon have a Facebook and so on and so forth. It's slowly built. I'm slowly building it up to where, you can get information all the way around. I do post on Twitter. I do post on TikTok. So make sure y'all stay tuned. If you're on TikTok or Twitter or both, make sure you stay tuned, because I do post there as well. As I do each new video, I post them up on Twitter and TikTok. And don't forget about YouTube. I do YouTube as well. Right now I don't have Patreon, just to let you know. That's something that's later on down the road that we'll work on that part. So, but anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. This is JJ, your boy. We will see you in the next video.